Today we are discussing questions and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, you are creating a Power BI report to analyze consumer purchasing patterns from a table named transactions. The transactions table contains a numeric field named spend. You need to include a visual that identifies which fields have the greatest impact on spend. Which type of visual should you use? Option A, Q&A. Option B, smart narrative. Option C, decomposition tree. Option D, key influencers. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you are creating a line chart in a Power BI report as shown in the following exhibit. Use the drop-down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphic. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is drag and drop. You have a Power BI report that contains a table visual with a measure named revenue. The revenue measure returns values within a range of 0 to 5. You need to format the visual so that the revenue column displays a specific background color based on the value range as shown in the following table. Which three actions should you perform in sequence in Power BI Desktop? To answer, move the appropriate actions from the list of actions to the answer area and arrange them in the correct order. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is, you have a Power BI report that contains 4 pages. All the pages contain a slicer for a field named country. You need to ensure that when a user selects a country on page 1, the selection is retained on page 2 and page 3. The solution must prevent page 4 from being affected by selections on the other pages. What should you do? Option A, remove the country slicer from page 1, page 2 and page 3. Add the country field to the page level filters. Option B, remove the country slicer from page 1, page 2 and page 3. Add the country field to the report level filters. Option C, move the country slicer from page 2 and page 3 to page 1. Option D, sync the country slicer on page 1, page 2 and page 3. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is drag and drop. You have a Power BI report that contains 5 bookmarks. You need to add an object to the report from which users can navigate between 3 specific bookmarks. How should you complete the task? To answer, drag the appropriate actions to the correct steps. Each action may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view the content. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.